Hey everybody, I'm Miss Burns here with Rattle Together, and I'm here to make a couple of announcements. We are going to have 2 videos a day, one that will be a science video and one that will be a craft video. That way you can choose to not watch both in one sitting, and they'll be shorter. Hopefully it'll be easier for you to sit through the videos. All things science related, including our chrysalids, will be in the science video, and everything craft related will be craft video. I will do a riddle in each video. It'll be the same riddle. So if it's day 16, it'll be day 16, the same riddle, and then we'll answer the day 15 riddle also. That way, whichever one you choose to watch, if you don't choose to watch both, you will still get to do the riddle. All right? I hope to see you all at both videos. I really want to see pictures of what you guys are doing. I miss you. I hope you are all well. Oh, I almost forgot. I had an idea, and I would love to see, so this will be on Facebook in our Rattle Together page, if you can comment there what your ideas are or thoughts are on this. But I was thinking maybe it would be fun to have you guys virtually on the show sometimes. So if you'd be interested in coming on the show via Google Hangouts or on the phone, where we just talk speakerphone, and do where you can ask me questions, we can interview each other, or you can do the science video with me or the craft video with me. If you're interested in that, let me know. Shoot me an email, rburns@kusd.org, rburns@kusd.org. Let me know on Facebook at Rattle Together, or call the school and let me know. But I would really love to talk to you guys. I miss hearing your voices every day. All right, love ya. Mwah.